Alright guys, facial hair, it's a thing. Whether you're into the full-on lumberjack look or a more precise groom style, maintaining your beard is key. I've tried various trimmers in the past, and let's just say some experiences have been better than others. As for the content of the box, you will find your instruction guide, a USB-C cable, your charger, and the trimmer. The Beard Hedger is not your typical dad-style bulky beard trimmer. Manscaped went with a sleek matte black finish, which honestly just looks good on your bathroom counter. It's got a nice heft, feels solid, and it's not overly heavy. Button layout is intuitive. Power plus your guard adjustment dial smoothly integrated here. You also have a power LED display that lets you know when the trimmer is on. As for the key features, it comes with 20 adjustable cutting lengths for finding that perfect beard sweet spot. Ceramic blades for smooth cutting, less irritation, waterproof so cleanup is a breeze. Plus, you can trim in the shower if that's your thing. It offers up to 60 minutes of runtime and a level indicator that lets you know when it needs more juice. That's impressive. Now for the part you've been waiting for. Let's be real, the proof is in the trim. These ceramic blades make a difference. Very little snagging, clean passes, and the adjustable dial is precise. Even if you have a thicker beard, it powers through without bugging down. The question remains, is the Manscaped Beard Hedger a game changer? Look, if you're serious about maintaining your beard and want a tool that's easy to use, feels premium, and delivers great results, this is really a strong option. I'd say it earns my stamp of approval. Of course, they have a whole line of grooming products, so if you're interested, check them out. Alright guys, that's it from me. Once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. Thanks for watching.